today I went to the store and see this dark kidney beans. From the other day, I want to try make some rice and peas with a canned red bean. Cause when I know somewhere in my head think me can perfect it. Me nah tell you say yes I can, but me don't know. Something in my head tell me so me can do it because me see a couple people do it and it just white and it no look, appetizing. So I just think me gonna try it. The thing is though, if it turn out good, I'll share it. If it don't turn out good, I'm not going to share it. I'm gonna be honest. I won't share it if it's not nice. If it not taste good, me not share it. But if it tastes good, I promise. So I saw this dark kidney beans, so I purchased this one. We're gonna try it together. And not together, cause me say if it not tastes good, but not share it. anyhow, yeah, I wanted to say that. So today